To upscale your images with Canva, first of all, you will need to have a Canva Pro subscription. Without it, this option won't work. If you have your subscription, navigate to your project and then look on the left toolbar. After that, select the image upscaler. From there, select a file that you want to upscale. In this case, we're going to go for this one, and then we can change our upscale resolution from 2 times to up to 16 times. Then we can select the upscale and wait a few moments until the upscale is finished. After that, we'll be able to see a comparison. So here we have it, the upscaling is finished and you can see the after on the right and before on the left. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.